In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Loom video into your Framer website, because I know you're probably pissed off on why it's not working. So you go to your video, click on share, then embed, and then copy. Bear with me. I know you've done that, but it didn't work. But just wait, just wait. You go to your Framer website. So regardless of what is the section whatsoever, we're gonna click on the insert sign, and then we're gonna look for embed. So we search for embed component, and then we're gonna insert it here, and then you can zoom in just for the sake of seeing. So if we click on it, and then on the right panel there's the embed component. We click on HTML. If we pass the typical code, you see that it is not working. And so the fix is easy peasy. You remove the div from both ends, and that's it. That's the fix.